Welcome to this fantastic lesson. Last lesson we looked at peace on earth, or some words that goes on and you might bump into them, so it's very important that you go and learn them as well. But in this lesson we're going to look at feelings and emotions, and without wasting time here, let's jump into it. And the first word is happy. Furaha means furaha. But when it comes to, like, when you want to say happy person, mwenye furaha, you'll be happy person. When you want to add something, person is furaha. Sad, huzuni, or huzunika, huzuni. Angry, angry is hasira, hasira. The next word is afraid. Ogopa, ogopa. The next word is joy, which is furaha, furaha. The next word is surprised. Swahili is shangazwa, shangazwa. The next word is calm. Swahili is tulivu, tulivu. The next word is alive, alive. Swahili is hai, hai. The next word is dead. Swahili is amekufa, amekufa, or kufa. The word is kufa, kufa. This last word here, literally when you say amekufa, you say like it's kind of saying he is dead, or he can go along with something like she is dead. Amekufa, that refers to this person, meaning he's dead, because is a certain person, the second person. Me is like is, meaning in the current moment. Amekufa. The next word is alone. Swahili is pekee, pekee, or peke yake, pekee or peke yake. The next word is together. Together in Swahili is pamoja, pamoja. The next word is bored. Swahili is choshwa, choshwa. Remember there is an H here, sh. That's why there is sh, sh, choshwa. The next word is easy. In Swahili is rahisi, rahisi. The next word is difficult. In Swahili is vigumu, vigumu. The next word is bad. In Swahili is mbaya, mbaya. The next word is good. In Swahili is nzuri, nzuri. The next word is I am sorry, I'm sorry. The Swahili word for that is nasikitika, nasikitika, nasikitika. The next word is don't worry, don't worry. In Swahili is usijali, usijali. U means you. This statement is referred to the second person here. No, when I said here alone here, I meant that person. Whenever I say dead, me, that person, but second person is you. So in this word is you, usijari. And this brings us to the end of our fifth lesson, and thank you for reviewing this lesson, and I'm hoping to see you in the next one, where we shall be looking at the days of the week. See you. Bye.